In today's fast-paced world, managing waste efficiently is crucial. But what if I told you there's a hassle-free way to keep your site clean? Stay tuned to discover how Midlands Dumpster Services LLC revolutionizes dumpster rental service. If you've ever been bogged down by waste management during a big project, you know the struggle. Well, not anymore. Today, we're diving into how Midlands Dumpster Services LLC, your go-to dumpster rental service, is changing the game. Imagine you're knee-deep in a renovation project. The last thing you want is waste piling up, slowing you down, and causing headaches. That's where the importance of a reliable dumpster rental service comes in. What sets Midlands Dumpster Services LLC apart? It's their commitment to timely deliveries, affordable pricing, and exceptional customer service. They understand the importance of keeping your project on track and are dedicated to ensuring a hassle-free rental experience. Give them a call at 803-608-6437 today and take the first step towards a clutter-free workspace. And with a quick visit to their website at www.midumps.com, you can have the perfect size dumpster delivered right to your doorstep. Remember, the right dumpster rental service can make all the difference in managing your waste efficiently. Midlands Dumpster Services LLC is here to help you keep your focus on the project, not the mess.